everyone, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. So here we are at the campground, and I'm making a good lunch for myself. We've got zucchini and turkey sausage with smoked cheddar, and I'm frying it up with coconut oil. So anyhow, it's super simple to eat healthy on the road. It really is, and it's cost effective too, guys, right? We're saving money when we're on the road. We don't want to be eating out all the time. Plus, fast food and processed food is no good for you. So anyways, I've been having a great time camping. Just got back from a hike, and I'm now going to sit down to have this fabulous lunch. I think I hiked about almost 3 miles. It was a great hike. Beautiful day, beautiful campground. And everything's going well in the van. Let me show you something here. Look at these beauties. A lot of reflection here. It's my biggest Petoskey stone. Let me see if I can get it. You see that? Isn't that gorgeous? Looks like a heart too. Look at the pattern. That's beautiful. Yep, look at this. Bunch of crinoids on this. Look at those little critters that once were, that aren't anymore, but they have left their mark. Aren't they beautiful? Circles, half circles, crescent moons, rectangles. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, I love rock hunting. So all is well at the campsite, and everything's going good in the van. Remember, always keeping things tidy and in order, because that way you want to be in there. And it's a chore, I won't lie. It's a conscious effort to make sure every time you get something out, you're putting it away. Yeah, so here's my thermometer, my outdoor thermometer. And that's all. Front seat, everything's put away here, except my jacket. Should have been up here, but I think it might have came down off of there. That's the way that goes. And I didn't need my RV mat because I have asphalt. I have a pad, and I forgot about that when I booked the site. So I'm not going to put it out because no need to get it all wet and dirty if it rains. But anyhow, all right, I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to sit down and enjoy my lunch here. And that's that. I'll catch you later. Just wanted to pop in and say, hey, I'm having a great day, and I hope you are too. All right, catch you later.